Hey friends, if you encounter the error where Winload.efi file is missing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to rebuild BCD. So the command is bootrec space / rebuild BCD. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Copy the command here and hit enter. Okay. The next solution is system restore. Why? Because a certain file is missing. It's not a DLL file. I cannot use the Microsoft redistributable package. It's an EFI file. So what options do I have? Perform a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on system restore. Click on next. Select the restore point. Click on next and then click on finish. And yes, one more thing that we can try is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator and type the command sfc space / scan now and try to fix it. But in some cases, even this may not work. So what is the last option? The last option is a cloud reset, not a local reset, a cloud reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select recovery in the right pane, click on reset PC, click on remove everything, and then select the option for cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.